Okay, hello guys, how are you today? Mandla, hello. Manish Patil, hi, how are you guys? So yeah, today I will talk about new US dollar longs and for now, and I'm looking for potential shorts on Euro USD, on the British Pound US dollar. So first of all, please read the disclaimer. As you already know, it's very important to understand the risks before trading on the financial markets, on Forex, on foreign exchange market, on commodities, cryptocurrencies, indexes. So it's really important. And also, if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Kevin, hi, how are you? Joseph, hello. So yeah, I will close this window, and sorry about that. And let's sorry about that. Let's start with the dollar index, or actually, let's take a look here. Right now, it has unfortunately the dollar index found resistance here again, here at this confluence area, the weekly pivot point, medium line of the minor ascending pitchfork. So temporary drop, temporary retreat. That's why also the Euro USD increased a little, the British pound versus the US dollar increased a little. So first of all, later guys, in 40 minutes, very important also, the BOC, okay, Bank of Canada overnight rate. So the Bank of Canada is expected to hike rates, to increase its overnight rate from 1.00% to 1.50%. So you have to be careful if you are trading the Canadian dollar right now. Also, the BOC, this high impact event, actually the overnight rate, the BOC rate statement could have a big impact also on the US dollar. So that's why we'll have to be careful. Anything could happen. So also ISM manufacturing PMI. This economic indicator is expected to drop from 55.4 to 54.4, signaling that maybe did break above the dynamic resistance line. Mandla, you nailed it. In Canadian price did a break above the dynamic resistance line. Yeah, Mandla, as I've said yesterday. Sergio, hi Olympio, as you know, we have the rate hike for Canadian. Are you planning any trades for Canadian, and are you expecting the Canadian dollar go strong or take it opposite way? Yeah, we'll talk about the Canadian dollar, and yeah, Sergio, I'm talking about the Canadian dollar right now. So it remains to see how it will react here, because right now let's take a look. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, the Canadian dollar is still strongly bullish. As you can see also here, US dollar, Canadian dollar strongly bullish. This market dropped deeper, even if the dollar index rebounded. Also, let's take a look. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, strongly bullish. Okay, it has resumed its growth as expected. Yeah, I've talked about yesterday potential upside continuation. Also today, and in the early morning, Orlando wanted to go long, or actually Orlando had the long position, but he decided to manage his position aggressively, maybe moving his stop loss at break even. And yeah, unfortunately the price reached here, and let's take a look on 15 minutes. So here he had a long position, and on this retreat correction, minor drop, Orlando's long position here in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen was closed at break even. But yeah, it was even if the price resumed its growth, maybe it was a good decision maybe to manage his position after this strong rally, because personally, yeah, maybe I've missed yesterday an opportunity here after this retreat breakout. Yesterday I was looking for longs here around the R2, maybe above the R2, but unfortunately the price failed to retreat a little or to move sideways here. Strong rally here, we had something, but yeah. So the Canadian dollar is Cindy, hi everyone, I'm happy to be part of the VIP group. Yeah, thank you. So as I've said, we have a really strong Canadian dollar right now, because the traders are expecting the Bank of Canada to increase the overnight rate from 1% to 1.50%. Okay, and very important, if the BOC will come in, I don't know, maybe more hawkish than expected, maybe the Canadian dollar could resume its growth. But don't forget that the current rally on the Canadian dollar, or actually actually today's rate hike, yeah, could be priced in. That's why also yesterday I've talked about this higher high 102.95 as potential target here. So right now it's too late to go long maybe on Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Personally, I would like to see a retreat before extending its growth. Yeah, it would a temporary drop here, retreat, correction, it would could bring us new long opportunities. That's why personal wait here on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Unfortunately, I've missed yesterday here an opportunity after this drop and aggressive breakout. Yeah, maybe it was a mistake not to go long at can you hear me, guys? Please confirm into the chat. Emmanuel. So yeah, let's go back, and also here the US, as I've said, the ISM manufacturing PMI from the United States. Yes, I can. Okay, thank you, Kevin. Okay, so as I've said, also the ISM manufacturing PMI. And also job openings, very important. Also, these are seen as high impact indicators as well. Don't forget that the volatility could be high around these high impact events. Construction spending, also ISM manufacturing prices, total vehicle sales. So you have to be careful. Actually, maybe I will still be live here during the BOC, during the US data dump. Okay, so Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, yesterday maybe it was a mistake not to go also here long at market here after this retreat and breakout. But personally, I wanted to see a temporary drop, consolidation, accumulation before extending its growth, because lately, as you already know, I want to catch only high probability trades. Yeah, and also if you are a VIP member, that British pound versus the Swiss franc is valid, and the price is almost to approach and reach my entry. So if you are a VIP member, that pending order is still valid. Strong sell-off right now, and as you already know, I have a pending order, a sell stop in British pound versus the Swiss franc for the VIP members. And also, if you're wondering why I didn't deleted my pending order in silver, I'm still waiting. Even if the price jumped above that stop loss, I'm still waiting, and I'm still keeping that pending order, because maybe I will only adjust. I will modify my entry and my stop loss. Yeah, if I will identify maybe if the price of silver will confirm maybe a potential sell-off. Okay, so you have to be careful around the BOC, around the US data dump. Yeah, so Canadian dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Also here, yeah, US dollar, Canadian dollar. As I've said, maybe and actually right now the Canadian dollar rallies, edges higher, appreciates, dominates the currency market, because as I've said, so Siad, I'm VIP member, but I don't get the signal. I don't understand. If you are the VIP member, today actually I've sent pending order in silver into the VIP group. I've sent actually Orlando had today Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So yeah, we had two trades today in the VIP group. So I subscribed on Friday for 6 months, and please email support. I don't know if you subscribe it for the VIP group, for the Forex for a VIP group, or for the crypto, yeah. For the crypto groups, or I don't know, maybe for the swing trading groups. So please send an email to support, and or because they will come back to you, they will sort you out. Okay, so as I've said, about the Canadian dollar, strongly bullish in the short term, and as you can see here, it has ignored after ignoring this strong demand area, it has extended its sell-off, and right now, maybe personally, I'm expecting for the market, for this price to maybe to drop even lower towards the S2, maybe to approach to reach the S2. But don't forget that that the volatility could be high around the BOC. Anything could happen. We could have sharp movements in both directions. Yeah, so you have to be careful. Okay, because I subscribed for the FX signal. So please email support, and also are you in the VIP group? Did you you can also you can access your client account in our Learn to Trade website. You'll have the VIP link there, but also you can email support. I don't know exactly your situation. I'm not working, or actually I'm not a support agent or something. So you'll have to ask the support team. Okay, so let's start dollar index again. Yeah, as I've said, temporary drop, temporary retreat, but I've talked about today. I've talked about this down channel, about the lower medium line, about here something like an oversold situation. Yeah, in dollar index. Please take a look here. Breakout, retreat, and the potential upside continuation could yes, Telegram. Okay, and today you received actually today I've shared my pending order in silver. Orlando sent his trade in Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So yeah, and we'll send and we'll share more trades maybe after we'll have or actually after. Personally, I'm waiting for confirmation on the dollar index, on Euro USD, on British pound versus the US dollar. Hi, there is there I don't see your GBP signal for VIP. When did you send this? So yeah, I don't know, last week. Okay, so I have a pending order in British pound versus the Swiss franc from last week. Okay, I believe, I don't know, from Tuesday or something. I don't see your signal for VIP. When did you send? So yeah, I've sent that one moment, maybe because yeah, so I've sent that VIP trade last week, a pending order, yeah, in British pound versus the Swiss franc. And also don't forget that personally I've moved my stop loss higher. My initial risk was around 0.8%, and my risk right now is 0.85, 0.9, something like this. Okay, so if you want that trade, please you can search for that pending order in our VIP group. Okay. Let's start with Euro USD. And personally, I have a setup here. I will hide my setup for now. Yeah. let's take a look also on the British pound US dollar, because maybe I will decide. Yeah, as I've said earlier, when I've talked about the British pound versus US dollar in that daily video analysis, I've talked about 1.2560 as support, key level. So only false breakdown, rebound, but the pressure is still high here. Also, don't forget that maybe we have a support here, 1.2551. Okay, and here's something like a maybe range pattern in the short term. Yeah, and I've talked about maybe a larger downside movement, but we still need confirmation here, and only because we have high impact events. Personally, maybe I'll wait for a valid breakdown here for the price to drop, to close, to stabilize, to test, retest. Actually, to make a valid breakout from this range, extended range, because I don't want maybe the price could only drop. Yeah, and close above the immediate lows, to register only a false breakdown with great separation, and then to turn to the upside. So that's why, and as you already know, personally, I'm not trading potential breakouts. Okay, I'll wait for a valid breakout. I'll wait for confirmation here before going short on the British pound versus the US dollar. But Euro USD. Euro US dollar, please take a look here. 1.0757 as resistance, static resistance, and yeah, maybe I'll, one moment. Yeah, about silver, let's go. Yeah, so unfortunately the price of silver failed to approach and reach my entry, so that's why I'll wait to see how it will react here around the 21.950, around these immediate highs, because as I've said, maybe I will only adjust. I will come back with another entry with a new stop loss here, and yeah, but as you can see here, I've talked about this outside sliding line today in that thought process video for the VIP members as support, dynamic support. I talked about 21.428. So right now a strong rally in the short term. Yeah, I will delete maybe all these from here. Yeah, and maybe I will have another opportunity. Let's wait also for the US data for the BOC. But don't worry, guys, because I will come back with my update. If I'll decide to delete my pending order, if I'll decide to delete my pending order, or if I'll decide to adjust my setup to select another entry or stop loss or take profit, yeah, I will update the VIP group. Okay, so gold, strong rally, guys, but it has reached this dynamic resistance here, and after its failure here to approach to reach the medium line, but this could still be only a temporary rebound. And in my opinion, about the price of gold, about the yellow metal, if this will be only a false breakout here, if it comes back to retest the resistance area, it could come back down. So yeah, this strong rally here on gold also forced the price of silver to jump higher in the short term. Yeah, please guys, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, and also your time frame. Yeah, really good pending order in British pound versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, so this pending order from last week on the British pound versus the Swiss franc. Okay, so let's go back. Euro USD. About the Euro USD, as I've said earlier, maybe unfortunately I have this this support here, 1.0641, because personally, as I've said, I'm looking for US dollar longs, and maybe after failing to stabilize above 1.0757, and after dropping below this uptrend line, retest, as long as it stays below the immediate downtrend line, maybe a new lower low here could activate the potential downside movement. Yeah, looking at USD Japanese Yen, I have a short on weekly, looking for a retest of a breakout of resistance on S&P. Okay, thank you guys. So Euro USD, let's see if we can open a trade here right now. Let's take a look also on US dollar, Singapore dollar, and then I will answer to your questions. US dollar, Singapore dollar. Yeah, unfortunately, it has failed to stabilize here. To stabilize above the weekly pivot point, above the medium line, it would have signaled potential continuation, but unfortunately it has dropped it here. US dollar, Mexican peso. Yeah, it has retested 19.725 resistance, and right now it has dropped it. US dollar, South African rand. As I said that I'm looking for US dollar longs. Okay, so I've talked about US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, Swiss franc. Let's see, because here we have an extended sideways movement in the short term. Something like a sideways movement, or actually in the short term, but we still need confirmation. Also here, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, it has found resistance. Sorry about that. Australian dollar, US dollar. Now here, unfortunately, the Australian dollar, US dollar, it has invalidated the potential sell-off, sideways movement, and here only false breakdown below this this support 0.7162, and right now a strong rally. So let's go back. US dollar, Euro USD. Maybe I'll wait for the BOC, for the US data, because also here I said about the British pound versus the US dollar that I don't want to, yeah, also British pound US dollar breakdown, but the reason why I don't want to sell it right now at market is because this breakdown could still be invalidated. Okay, if the price I don't know, if the price closes this 1 hour candle above the support levels, a false breakdown with great separation, or a major, I don't know, we could still have a major bullish engulfing after after the US data, after the BOC could invalidate the bearish scenario. Okay, so that's why we'll have to be careful also here. Yeah, silver drops, and maybe I will decide to move my entry higher and also my stop loss higher, maybe because that setup could still be good. Yeah, but let's wait. So about US dollar, Japanese yen. So looking at US dollar, Japanese yen, I have a short on weekly. Okay, you have a short on weekly. Okay, from where? Okay, so you have a short on weekly from, I don't know, from this top, from here, from here. That's why I've said that if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, your levels, yeah, your time frame, what you are looking at, because maybe I would like to take a look on I don't know, on 1 hour, on 4 hour, on 15 minutes, on monthly, on daily, and yeah. So about the US dollar, Japanese yen, strong rally because also the dollar index rebounded, and very important, yen basket extended its sell-off. Okay, as expected, after maybe making a new lower low, after making a valid breakdown here, yeah, sell-off. That's why the US dollar, Japanese yen rallied, and right now, yeah, it has reached this resistance zone. 129.10, 129.40, closing and stabilizing above this this key level here, or actually zone area, could also maybe signal a potential breakout and further growth here. Let's take a look on lower time frames actually. Yeah, retreat, and maybe this could be only a temporary drop. Actually, after this strong mandala, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, 1 hour time frame, what do you want me to tell you about that market? Tell me what you are looking at on that market, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar on 1 hour. Yeah, so US dollar, Japanese yen, this could be only a temporary retreat, and actually after this strong rally, temporary maybe retreat is natural. It was expected or something. So British pound versus the Swiss franc is almost to hit my entry. You can, if you're a VIP member, you can look for my trade. Actually, for the pending order for that setup from last week. And don't forget, guys, that also you'll have to look for my management. I've moved my stop loss higher, yeah, above the immediate highs. Yeah, okay. US dollar, Japanese yen, as I said, this could still be only a temporary drop, but right now we are at resistance, so I don't have a setup right now. Let's go back. Euro USD. yeah, right now, and the reason why I'm not going short here, it's only because personally I'm expecting sharp movements right now in Euro USD, also on the dollar index, on the British pound versus the US dollar in the short term, around the US data, around the BOC. Okay. And I don't want the price to maybe to, yeah, strongly bearish British pound. Let's take a look. British pound futures. Yeah, sell off here on the British pound futures, and you can use this correlation when maybe the British pound futures will have, when we have a drop here, when the this market drops, maybe the British pound could depreciate versus its rivals. And also I already have or actually, yeah, my short in British pound versus the Swiss franc got triggered. I will update the group as well, the VIP group, and yeah, maybe this is another reason why I didn't want to place a sell stop here, only because I'm already short on the British pound with that British pound versus the Swiss franc. Okay. One moment, because I will update the group, the VIP group, only because that it was only a VIP trade. Okay, only a VIP trade. That's why maybe I don't want to double down the risk on the British pound. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, strongly bearish British pound. So, please advise on NASDAQ. Let's take a look. US 100. DXY again. US 100. So, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? So I will not tell you what to do, but it's your trading account. You can do whatever you want. When I'll have a potential trade, I will share my trade into the VIP group, as you already know. And right now, about this market, so US 100, about the NASDAQ, a strong rally. It has ignored the downtrend line. It has jumped above these former highs, and temporary drop. Right now, yeah, it's strongly bullish. Surprisingly or not, maybe right now US 100 is strongly bullish, even if the dollar index it has rebounded, and yeah. Immediate resistance here. Immediate resistance here, and also resistance levels here, key levels. So right now we have a strong rally here on US 100, but I don't know. Maybe I'll wait to see if the dollar index maybe will confirm a potential new leg higher, because if the dollar index will confirm a potential new leg higher, I don't know, maybe personally I'm expecting the US equities to retreat, to drop. Okay, if the dollar index will develop a larger upwards movement, if the US dollar will dominate the currency market. Okay, so maybe we had an opportunity on lower time frames. Let's take a look, but let's take a look here. No. So in 6 minutes we'll have, let's also refresh the economic calendar. So in 6 minutes we'll have the BOC, also the US economic data. Let's see how the markets will react, and then we can look for new trades. Okay, we can maybe place new trades. US 30. Yeah, let's take a look here. So Dow Jones is trading in the red, only because we have a strong US dollar right now. US 500, let's take a look. Yeah, it's trading in the green, but also here about the US 500. After this amazing rally, temporary drop was natural, was expected. And yeah, if the dollar index will drop, if the US dollar will depreciate, we can still look for potential longs on the US equities. Yeah, on the US equities. Looking for a retest of a breakout of a resistance on 1 hour US 500. Yeah, I've talked about US 500 on 1 hour. Yeah, so yeah, also use levels, guys, please, when you want, if you want me to take a look on a specific market. VIP trade got triggered. What VIP trade? Of course, that trade, British pound versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, I've updated the group, and if you are a VIP member, I will come back with my trade management. Okay, I will come back with my trade management into the VIP group only. Right now that trade looks very good. Also, personally, I'm still keeping that pending order in silver as well. Maybe I will only move my entry higher, my stop loss higher, and I will keep that pending order. I have to check something here. Okay, 3 minutes, guys. Let's see how the markets will react around the BOC. Yeah, okay, yeah. Before I will come back with my trade management, if I'll decide to do something I'll decide to manage my position or something. Okay. And also, so before, yeah, in Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. One hour. Personally, I don't have something here right now because personally I'm not trading on these markets. Maybe, yeah, breakout above that key level, but maybe, yeah. And right now it's too late to go long. Morning. Hi, how are you? Godspeed, Freeman. Godspeed, Freeman. So yeah, right now we are here around resistance. So no, I don't have something here. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, 1 hour. So it's too late to go long. Maybe right now, maybe you'll have to wait for the price to jump above these highs or something, or to retreat or something. So right now we are at resistance, and yeah, so let's refresh the economic calendar, because right now it seems that maybe we'll have high volatility. Yeah, high volatility, guys. So 1.50 as expected. ISM manufacturing PMI better than expected. Job openings better than expected. So let's go back to Euro USD. So also about that silver, yeah, strong sell-off right now. Actually, US dollar strongly bullish. Bitcoin, yeah, about Bitcoin, let's take a look. Bitcoin, what about Bitcoin? Because as you already know, guys, so also about so BOC, it has let's I will take a look on my so BOC, yeah, I'm waiting for more news here in my news terminal right now. So about the price of actually about the BOC, Bank of Canada, it has increased the overnight rate as expected to 1.50%. Okay, and let's take a look. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, it's there. As I've said, it could reach the weekly S2. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, yeah, strongly bullish. So the Canadian dollar remains strongly bullish in the short term after the BOC. Let's wait. Also, maybe it went up and it doesn't make correction. About Bitcoin, yeah, about Bitcoin. Let's take a look. Bitcoin. So as you already know, I talked about this support zone demand area 28,561, 28,800. I talked about this triangle. I talked about this breakout, very breakout here, and right now this this could be something like a test retest of 31,411, maybe before extending its growth at least towards the downtrend line. Okay, so right now, in my opinion, Bitcoin is bullish. It could extend its growth after retesting here this former high, and yeah, as I've said, it could maybe approach and reach 32,950, this key level, also the downtrend line in the short term. The Canadian dollar is stronger than USD right now after the interest rate, and the GBP is on the floor. Yeah, guys. British pound, the US dollar drops like a rock right now. Also, my trade in British pound Swiss franc is good, despite a minor rebound. Euro USD. True, I forgot about the trend line. Yeah, got with Freeman. Yeah, strong sell-off here in British pound versus US dollar. Yeah, it seems that the price will, I don't know, it has failed maybe to come back here to retest the broken support levels. That's why maybe I'll wait for actually for a rebound. Okay, before maybe I will go short here. Yeah, US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, strong rally. Let's take a look on the dollar index. It seems that the dollar index rallied. Yeah, it has rallied as expected. Euro USD. Euro USD. I have a setup here in Euro USD. Euro USD here. Let's take a look on my real account. Euro USD. Yeah, so I'll wait to see how it will it will maybe react here around the weekly pivot point about the Euro USD, because as I've said earlier today, unfortunately I have 1.0641 as key level, as support, and as long as maybe it stays above it, despite this sell-off, maybe it could still turn to the upside, because this could represent here something like a channel or something. Okay, so that's why right now I'm undecided here about the Euro USD, but right now, yeah, strongly bearish, only because the dollar index rallied. The dollar index rallied, and also about the dollar index right now is almost to hit 102.35. Okay, so this is the reason why I didn't open the short position on euro versus the US dollar, because right now the dollar index is almost to hit this key level. Okay, so I need confirmation also here. I need a new higher high here, or also I need a breakout or something, consolidation, accumulation, and this could still be only a temporary reaction after the BOC, after the US data. Okay, so that's why we have to be careful, yeah, and to take only, where should I pass exactly for a sell? I don't know, as long as I'm not short, or if I'll go short on Euro USD, I will share my trade into the VIP group only, so you'll have my levels, and no, I will not tell you what to do. As you already know, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. I will not tell you to go short or long, or yeah. If you want to follow my trades when I'll share a trade, it's fine. If you want to follow my trade management, it's fine as well. Okay, so let's take a look. BOC. We continue to judge that interest rate will need to rise further. Yeah, from Bank of Canada. BOC. Solid gross domestic product growth is expected in second quarter. The risk is of elevated inflation becoming, yeah, okay. BOC officials are ready to act more forcefully to reach the 2% CPI target. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, maybe I will end this webinar here. And because I have to yeah, S&P drops right now, US 30 sell off, US 100. Yeah, as I've said about US equities, yeah, please take a look here about US 100 sell off right now, US 30 sell off right now, US 500 sell off, only because I've told you guys that if the dollar index rallies in the short term, extend its growth, then the US equities could drop. Okay, so that's why I've said that I don't want to go long or to do anything on the US equities in the short term. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will come back with with potential trade here in Euro USD. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys for joining me here. I will come back with my update about that trade in British pound versus the Swiss franc into the VIP group, and yeah, I'm still looking for potential US dollar longs. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. I will come back maybe with New Zealand dollar, US dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Hit the like, everyone. Yeah, got Pete Freeman. You can like the video, guys. It will be helpful for me into the YouTube algorithm. Yeah. So thanks, guys. For watching this live session. I will come back with US dollar longs into the VIP group in a few minutes. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.